So if you've ever left the doctor's office with a stack of papers and a lot of questions, I've been there, trust me. So what my secret weapon is ChatGPT. Instead of going home and Googling and spiraling at 2 o'clock in the morning, high blood pressure, what is this pill that I need to take? What are triglycerides? What is HDL? What is LDL? I use ChatGPT and I put in the results of my blood work. I don't put in any personal information at all. And it explains everything to me in plain English. No jargon, it just explains everything nice and easy for me. It also gives me some questions that I should ask my doctor the next time that I see her. And just a disclaimer, ChatGPT, it's just a tool. It's not a doctor. It doesn't offer medical advice. It's just something that I use to help me understand things a little bit easier. So next time you leave the doctor's office scratching your head, let ChatGPT untangle the jargon. Keep your info generic, don't paste personal ID number, and always double check with your doctor. But at least you'll walk in prepared instead of panicked. Doctors are rushed, appointments are short. And those notes, they might as well be written in Latin. Sometimes they are. For people over 50 like me, that can be overwhelming. But here's where ChatGPT comes in. The next time you leave your doctor's office scratching your head, try using ChatGPT as your translator.
Here's what a typical blood test printout looks like. Numbers, abbreviations, reference ranges. Most of us walk away from the doctor's office staring at this, wondering what it actually means. And honestly, it's easy to feel overwhelmed or even a little anxious when you don't understand what you're looking at. That's where ChatGPT comes in. You can paste the doctor's note or your lab results into it and ask for a plain English explanation. For example, here I asked, explain this like I'm 55 and not a doctor. And ChatGPT broke it down simply. High blood pressure, high bad cholesterol, and the doctor is suggesting a statin to protect your heart. Even with just the numbers, LDL, HDL, triglycerides, it explains them like a report card. What's high, what's low, and what it means for your health in everyday language. And it doesn't stop there. You can even ask it to turn your results into smart questions to take back to your doctor. Things like, what lifestyle changes can I make? Do I need medication? Or how often should I retest? Now, instead of walking into your appointment stressed, you walked in informed, confident, and ready for a real conversation about your health.